And don't ever fucking ask me that again. For one. God, dude, is bullshit. But I don't know. For some reason, still getting the stupid issue where it wants to fail and tell me to try again, try to reconnect. Anyways, finally got my gaming computer, built it, and here we go. It's a Raid Max mid tower computer case, and uh, these right here, easy to pull, somewhat easy to pull off. They're aggravating to get back in. Got an Asus DVD CD drive, writable, rewritable, um, stock Raid Max front fan LED, of course, blue, and this is the Cobra. I think it Cobra Z, and uh, got my SteelSeries mouse pad sticker on there, and uh, ASRock, Intel ASRock motherboard, and as you can see right here, yep, Razer, which is this bad boy right here. Then got the Black Widow Elite Ooh, Ultimate. My bad. I don't know where I got Elite from. Uh, Keyboard. Love the keyboard. And got these two. Battlefield's already installed. I'm currently waiting for the update for League to finish, and after that I'll play a couple games, couple matches to configure, get the thumb keys here key binded into the game for my abilities and well, not abilities, but for my spells and my like certain items that I use that you have to cast on, like use the keys to cast on yourself or another player. After that, then I'll be installing Titanfall. Um, you know what? Let's see. This is what I'm gonna do. This is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do it. Rocking my Scooby Doo shirt. Making sure I don't turn the volume down on you guys. Uh, you know what? See. Hmm. Anyways. Alright. I'm going to turn the bad boy around here. Screw. And another thing, cool thing about the computer case too is the side panels have these handles. Oh, I really didn't even have to move this. Anyways, all that airflow is just amazing. Anyways, and boom. See if I can possibly use my cell phone as some better lighting. See, we'll get the camera on. There we go. And got an XFX double D R9 270 video card, graphics card. The power supply is the Roswell green series. It's 630 watts. The motherboard is the Intel, as you saw on the sticker, ASRock motherboard, and the CPU is an Intel i5 quad core, and the 2 sticks of RAM are by G.Skill. So I got 8 gigs there. It's 2 sticks of 4 gigs. And then the hard drive is the crap Western Digital Black Series 1 terabyte hard drive. And the rear fan, I believe, is the same as the front, not LED wise, but it was stock. And then I actually went to Best Buy and purchased the top fan. But there it is. It was a pain to get the other side panel on too. And excuse me on my burp. Alright, get rid of that. But yeah, anyone that plays Titanfall, anyone that plays excuse me, damn. Anyone that plays Battlefield 4, I have a good thing about having Origin as a library source for the games. I'm glad they did this. Alright. Sorry about that, guys. Interruption. I might have to put a sign on my door. Anyways, yeah, anyone that plays Titanfall, Battlefield, or League. Oh, what I was saying about the Origin thing is I also have Battlefield 3 and Bad Company 2. So, any of those games. Oh, and StarCraft. I want to try and practice as much as I can with StarCraft. I even suck against bots. That's how bad it is. And I like know all the keys on how to properly, successfully build barracks and whatnot. But for some reason, I've even watched videos on this. For some reason, I just can't do it. So if you end up beating me, you end up beating me. If I end up winning, beating you, I'm gonna be like, oh, yeah. But anyways, also, um, if anyone, doesn't matter what platform you are, Xbox, PlayStation, um, PC, um, we have a clan. It's called Legit Gamers Elite, and there's a separate YouTube channel for it. But there's like a couple videos so far, but we're fixing to start. I plan to help out and start doing some live streaming on the channel. That's how dedicated I am to my group. And we sell t-shirts. We have a Facebook page. We have Twitter, I believe. Let's see. But yeah, any game, like if there's a game that we don't have any members for and you want to try to like basically if you think that game is good enough to start a legit gamers elite clan on that game, contact us and we'll help you out. But any questions, feel free to either comment below the video. I'll have the links in the description for Facebook, Twitter, and we actually have our own cell phone app. Not 100% sure if it's for Android. It was Android or another brand where it wasn't an app yet, but it probably is an app now. But I have the links in the description below, and feel free to, if you haven't already, subscribe, like the video. But yeah, if you want to get in a legit clan, legit team, we have a code of conduct. But like I said, like if you have any questions, you can like uh PM us on the Facebook page, or shoot us a Twitter. God. Anyways, um, but yeah, let's see what else. But yeah, we'll just get you set up, and like if you want to play, if you want to get in on the clan for PC on Titanfall and Battlefield, well, and if you don't know how to, you know, get the clan initials tagged into your Battlefield name, just shoot us a message and we'll help you out with it. And let's see. Oh, and just in case anyone asks about League of Legends, I've tried numerous times to get a response on it, and then when I finally decided to try to make a team, turned out the name was already taken. So basically, somebody's tried to make a League of Legends team, but it just didn't go through. And it was probably like the past 2 or 3 attempts of me trying to make a team where either people don't want to commit or they don't bother to basically fail to commit to play, because committing is also trying to get everybody on a time set schedule to practice and play. But yeah, and that's about it. Oh, and my router is an Asus, the Asus uh 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 oh Asus N750, I believe. Uh, yeah, get there, right back there. All right. And that's about it, guys. Um, I will be doing live streaming on my YouTube account here. and also pack openings for Pokemon and Kaijudo. Um, and I will definitely be doing live streaming on Twitch.tv, and I'll have the link to to my channel in the description below. And hope you guys enjoyed the little show off of my computer that I built. I was excited, but at the same time, I'm like, it was struggling because I was at my brother's house because their dining room table, kitchen table was like on a linoleum floor, so I didn't want to like mess up the motherboard. I was that antsy on it. So yeah, and what else? I have for um I could probably try and attempt, but there's like one person so far that I know of on PS4's Call of Duty 2 Ghost, because I tried to play the game again, but I just can't do it. Too many people want to do BS stuff and all that, and I need to center this webcam. There we go. All right. Well, I'm gonna let you guys go. Already cutting this at 16 minutes and 30 something seconds. Um, so I will probably tomorrow night around midnight. I might do a live stream. I don't know. I know I'm gonna work on getting XSplit uh up and all that. But once I do, I'll send out tweets and all that good stuff and let everybody know. So catch you guys later and stay cool. It's I have my I have a little fan over there in the corner, and then my ceiling fan. If I don't move constantly, like this is alright moving here. But if I get up and try to, like if my room was crappy right now, like everything's where it needs to be. Like the bed, I don't even mess with the bed. I sleep on my bed just the way it is. I'm the only one that sleeps in it. But yeah. Occasionally I will clean it off to straighten up the sheets. But yeah, just I'll keep you guys posted and stay cool. If you're going swimming, I hate you. Just letting you know. I never get to go swimming during the summertime. I get left out. No invites. Pool parties. You suck. But anyways, guys, I'll catch you guys later. Mason Bass 360 signing off.